Yeah, in this session, we are going to discuss about the concept of aged copy. Here, it is a command line tool. Here, you can use to copy a blob or files to or from a storage account. You can use to copy blob or file to or from a storage account. Here, for this, you need to download aged copy using the link, this one. This is the link we have to follow to download the AZ copy. Here in this, the download AZ copy option is there. You can download it whatever you are using, Windows 64-bit, 32 or Linux or Mac operating system. Here I am using Windows. That's why I am downloading this one. It is downloaded in my downloads. See that in the zip file it is downloaded. Now I extract all. Click on extract. Double click on it. Here aged copy exe file is there. This exe file we have to move where you are working the folder. On that folder we can transfer aged copy exe file. Click on E drive. Here Azure folder I am working. You have to transfer this one. This is okay. And then you have to open the command prompt. You have to open the command prompt. Click on this one. Here on E drive, where you are working in this. Copy this and we move to this directory. How we move to this directory? CD E Azure. Okay. Now to explain aged copy, first you need to create resource group and the storage account. For that, I open my Azure account. Already the resource group is created with the name CSC101. The storage account is also created with the name Seshadri123. I note down the storage account name, copy this and paste it here. Okay, fine. Next, we can click on the storage account. The next, you need to generate SAS token. On the left side, you have to scroll down. Shared access signature is there. Click on this. Here, allowed resource types will put the tick mark for service, container, object. Scroll down. Click on generate SAS and connection string. You have to scroll down. It is creating the URLs for blob service. File service SAS URL is created. Queue service SAS URL is created. Table service SAS URL is created. Now I copy SAS token and paste it in the notepad. Fine. Now, using AZ copy, how we have to create the container? That's we'll see that. That is, we have to create container using AZ copy. For that, I follow the syntax is this one to create container. Paste it in the notepad. AZ copy make the storage account name. The storage account name I am given as this is. As this, we have to paste it here. Okay. Next, we have to give the container name. I am given the container name is Vardhaman I am given. Copy this and paste it here. After that, we have to copy and paste SAS token. Here you paste it. The entire one, you copy this and paste it in the command prompt. Click on enter. See that what the message you are getting? Successfully created the resource. Now go to the Azure portal. Click on storage account, Seshadri 123. Scroll down. Click on container. Vardhaman container is created. Fine. Now, the next, using AZ copy, I upload a file in the container. That is, upload a file in the container. For that, I follow the syntax. This is the syntax I follow. Copy this, paste it here. Here, we have to enter the file name, that is the file name with extension. I need to upload a file in the container in this folder, bird. Right click on it, properties. Here the object extension is .jpg. Here file name with extension, bird.jpg. Storage account name, we have to give it. This is the storage account name. Copy this, paste it here. .blob .core.windows.net, it is provided Azure. You have to give the container name. The container name is this one I am given. Copy this, paste it here. Now, the file name with extension, we have to give it. This is the file name with extension. Okay. And then we have to give SAS token, we have to give it. Copy this one, paste it here. Now the entire one, we have to copy this, paste it here. Click on enter. Now see that it is uploaded a file in the container. You have to open the Azure portal. Just click on the container Vardhaman. See that the object is uploaded in the container using AZ copy. Next, I explain how to upload a file from the directory. Here in my Azure folder in E drive, I am creating a directory. Folder I am creating. The folder name is CSC I am given. Here in this folder, those are the objects are there. I copy those objects and paste it in this folder. Okay. Now, upload a file from the directory. How we have to upload a file from the directory? Using AZ copy. Upload a file from the directory or folder. For that, I follow the syntax is this one. Upload a file from the folder. See that I had to use the folder name. What is the folder name I am given? What is the folder name I am given? In Azure, CSC I am given. Here, we can give the folder name CSC slash star means all objects on that directory or folder. You have to give the storage account name. This is the storage account name I am given. Okay. Now, .blob.core.windows.net, you have to give the container name. This is the container name. And then we have to copy and paste SAS token. Copy this one. This is SAS token. Before that, you will see that in this folder, what are the objects that are there? Cat, dog, peacock. Those are the objects that are there. Now I copy this one, paste it in the command prompt. Click on enter. Now go to the Azure portal. Just refresh the browser. See that in Vardhaman container, the remaining files are uploaded. That is, whatever the files are there in this folder, CSC folder, cat, dog, peacock, those objects are uploaded to the container. See that dog, peacock, cat, those objects are uploaded. Now using AZ copy, how we have to upload specific files. How we have to upload specific files. Here, I am creating the specific files in this CSC folder. Just the empty files I am creating. .txt files. File 1. File 2. File 3. Those 3 text files I am creating. Okay. There is no information on file 1, file 2, file 3. Just the empty .txt files I am creating. Now, I need to upload a specific files in the folder or the directory. For that, I have to follow the syntax is, that is to upload specific files to the folder. I follow the syntax as this one. You copy here, paste it here. You have to give the folder name is CSC. You have to give the folder name is CSC. Okay. Slash star I am given. Give the storage account name. I am given the storage account name is this one. Okay. .blob.core.windows.net. The container name is this one. Vardhaman. And then SAS token. This is the SAS token. Copy this. Here you need to paste it here. Okay. After that, you have to close the double quotation, hyphen, include hyphen path, and we have to specify the files with extension and separate it with the semicolon. Here, that is file 1 semicolon, file 1 dot txt, file 2 dot txt. The entire one, I copy this. Before we'll see that I open the Azure portal. Here, the container we have to open in the storage account. The container is Vardhaman. Here, is there file 1, file 2 folders, file 1, file 2 objects are there? No. Now, I copy this one to upload a specific files. I copy this syntax. I paste it here. Click on enter. Now, open the Azure portal. Just refresh the browser. Now you will see that file 1 is there. See that? File 1. The second one, file 2, it is not uploaded. Only one file it is uploaded. If you want the second file also, we can give the extension .txt. That's I am not given. That's why this file is not uploaded. Okay. If you are given like that in the syntax, file2.txt, the second file is also uploaded. Fine. That is the syntax we have to follow to upload a specific file. Now to upload a directory in the container. How we have to upload a directory to the container? See that in this file, in this folder, those are the objects are there. Cat, dog, file 1, file 2, file 3, and peacock. Here, those objects are available in the container. Now we'll see that how to upload a directory in the container. Here, instead of the same name, I am given as ABC, I am given the file name. I am given the file name is ABC, I am given. Fine. Now, to upload a directory in the container, I follow the syntax is this one. That is, upload a folder. I follow this syntax. Copy this, paste it here. That is to upload a directory in the container. You follow the syntax is this one. AZ copy folder name I'm given as ABC /star. The storage account name is Seshadri123. This is the storage account name. .blob.core.windows.net. The container name is Vardhaman. And the folder name is ABC. Okay. And SAS token. This is the SAS token. Copy this. Here you need to paste it here. SAS token. The entire one you have to copy and paste it in the command prompt. Now you see that to open the Azure portal, just refresh the browser. In earlier Vardhaman container, there is no folder or directory. Now it is creating the folder or directory. We can click on this. The objects are there. Cat, dog, file 1, file 2, file 3, peacock objects are there. Okay. This is the syntax we have to follow to upload a directory in the container. Now, what I am doing is the next using AZ copy, that is to upload a directory and subdirectories in the container. To upload a directory and subdirectories in the container. For that, I follow the syntax This is the syntax I am following. This is the syntax I am following. See that? Just for our understanding, I'll change the folder name is my name I am given. My name I am given. Here in this, the subfolder I'm creating the subfolder CSC subfolder I am creating, or CCV folder I am creating. CCV. Here I am creating the empty files. The empty files I am creating for our understanding purpose: file 5, file 6. File 6. The extension is .txt. Fine. Fine. Now, here you have to follow the syntax to upload a directory and subdirectories in the container. You have to give the folder name. What is the folder name I am given? My name I am given. Okay. My name I am given. Just I copy this. Here, paste it here. Folder name. /* means all files and folders. Next. What is the storage account name? This is the storage account name. Seshadri 123. Copy this, paste it here. .blob.core.windows.net. The container name is Vardhaman I am given. Okay. What is the folder name? This is the folder name, Seshadri. Here, paste it here. Okay. And SAS token. This is SAS token. Copy this, paste it here. SAS token. Double quotation is closed. After that, hyphen recursive means the same procedure we have to follow to create the subfolders in the container. Copy this entire one and paste it here. Okay. Now, I have to open the Azure portal. Go to the container. Click on the container name, Vardhaman. See that? Seshadri folder is created. Click on that. Click on this one. I think number of lines are increased. That's why it is not taken the subfolders. See that. It is not taken the subfolder. Number of lines. That's why it is showing the messages like that. See that here it is showing someone. Okay, fine. Those are the steps that is the syntax we have to follow. Now, how we have to download blob data using AZ copy. Just for our understanding purpose, just I am deleting the bird file. Okay. In my E drive, in Azure portal, in Azure folder, I delete the bird.jpg. I delete it. Now, to download the blob data, we have to follow the syntax is, this is the syntax we have to follow to download the blob data. That is, download blob data. We have to follow the syntax is, this is the syntax we have to follow that. AZ copy. The storage account name is this one. .blob.core.windows.net. Container name. You have to give the container name, Vardhaman. Okay. And the file name with extension That is the file name with extension is bird.jpg and SAS token. SAS token is this is copy this. Here you have to paste it here. SAS token. Okay. And then file name with extension. File name with extension is bird.jpg. Copy this and paste it here. Okay. Now you have to copy the entire one to download blob data using AZ copy. Paste it here. Click on enter. Why the specified file was not found? You can remove the double quotation. I'll try. Copy this. Paste it here. Again, I try this one. Just wait, the storage account is this one. Container name is Vardhaman. File name with extension. The file name with extension is, I'm given this one. I think it may be changed, the small letters or cap letters. That's why it is maybe weird. I copy this one. Sorry, here in the portal. What is this? cat.jpg. CAT JPG. I am given cat.jpg. Okay. And SAS token. This is SAS token. Copy this. Paste it here. And file name with the extension. This is file name with extension. Okay. Now here in this folder, I am deleting the cat object. Now entire one I paste it and copy this one and paste it here. Click on enter. Now it is downloaded. Why it is not downloaded the bird.jpg means here in the container bird.jpg, it's not there. It's not there. That's why it is not downloading the objects. The cat object is there with the extension .jpg that is downloaded. This is the syntax we have to follow to download the blob data. Fine. Now, finally, I have to explain how we have to create a file share using AZ copy. And then I can close this one. That is, create a file share using AZ copy. For that, you have to follow the syntax is, this is the syntax we have to follow to create the file share. AZ copy, make the storage account name, we have to give this one. This is file. In earlier, blob is there. Now I want to create file share. Now see that in the Azure portal, here in the storage account, is there any file shares are there? See that there is no file shares are there. Now I am creating the file share using AZ copy. For that, I follow the syntax is this one. I entered the storage account name .file.core.windows.net. It is provided by Microsoft Azure, core.windows.net. And file share name, I'm given as CSC, and then SAS token we have to give it. This is the SAS token. Copy this and paste it here. And the entire one we have to copy this and paste it here. Click on enter. Now you have to open the Azure portal. Click on the storage account. Here, file sheets, we have to click on that. Just refresh the browser. It is not created. Why it is not created? You have to give the small letters. Then you can try. Copy this. Paste it here. Successfully created. That is, to give the file share name, you have to give the small letters. I'm given in earlier the cap letters. It is not created. Now see that successfully created the resource. Now you check the Azure portal. Just refresh the browser. See that the file share is created. The maximum capacity is 5 TB. So the aged copy, it is a command line tool. Using aged copy, we can create a container, upload a file in the container, upload a file from the directory, upload specific files. You have to upload a directory in the container. To upload a directory and subdirectories in the container, how we can download blob data using aged copy, how we have to create file share using aged copy, all those things I explain with hands-on. Okay, thank you.